Histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data or continuous data. It is an estimate of the probability distribution of a continuous variable. Here, histogram of age show the distribution of the age variable. Bar chart. A bar chart or a bar graph is a graphical representation of categorical data using rectangular bars. The lengths or heights of the bars are proportional to the values they represent. Bar charts are used to compare different categories or groups, and they can be displayed either vertically or horizontally. Bar chart is used to visualize the frequency percentage of the data graphically. Percentage of data graphically. Here we make graphs or bar graphs. Here we make bar graph for age group or age variables. First we make groups for age 17 to 19, 20 to 22 and 23 to 25, 26. Last group is 26 to 28. Pie chart. A pie chart is used to present the frequencies of categorical responses in data in the form of disk. Here we make pie chart for gender variable. The disks show the male 107 male 23% and 360 females 77%. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.